Hi, we're Sam and Nikki from Indybest.
And today we are trying these no and low alcohol wines in the spirit of dry January.
The first one is from the brand Saicho, the sparkling jasmine tea. It might take a while to open, but I thought it looked really pretty. Delicate floral aroma and notes of apple sherbet, lychee and vanilla. That's actually so nice.
That's amazing.
Do you like that?
Yeah, it tastes beautiful. I taste vanilla.
You can definitely taste this tea, but it's more than that.
Next one is called Sharp. It's from Freixenet. Bright, fresh, and aromatic. Californian poppy.
Poppy.
Sage. And it's this.
L-theanine. It's kind of like sharp, isn't it?
It tastes like the mountains in California.
It's definitely more like dry. This is 0%, but there's definitely like an alcoholic
like feel to it, yeah. And then it says Manuka leaf.
Manuka leaf.
And pressed gooseberries. That's probably the mountain I was talking about.
The mountain. We just looked up how to pronounce this and I've forgotten already. Freixenet or something?
Or maybe like with an accent.
Freixenet. You would miss doing that if you can't have like Prosecco or whatever. This one is my least favourite so far, I'll be honest.
I'm gonna counter that. When I was a kid, and you know how your parents would be doing their champagne or whatever for New Year's, I would be so proud to be
okay.
This is Wednesday's Domain. They have a red and a white low alcohol wine. These are actually de-alcoholized. This one is 0.18% and this one is less than 0.5%. Basically no alcohol.
The bottles are really pretty.
De-alcoholizing a wine impacts its body, flavor, and aromas.
There's definitely a bit more sweetness to it than I'd say a wine. I'm getting green, it's definitely got like a green.
You can actually taste all the flavors in wine that sometimes you don't taste because it's so alcohol.
Yeah.
Like heavy. So it is light and fruit forward, red and dark fruits on the nose and mouth. It pairs well with spicy foods.
Oh, creamy almost, yeah.
Creamy, yeah.
And it says blackcurrant, which I'm definitely tasting.
Ooh.
I think these are really good options if you want to get the feeling of wine. For me, I'm obsessed with this, but it's not necessarily wine, if you know what I mean. It's definitely sparkling tea, which I don't think it's not.
It's not trying to mask itself.
No, it's not.
But it feels right in this kind of lineup anyway.
Yeah, it's a great alternative. And obviously there's like caffeine in it, so you get a buzz of caffeine and which people may be looking for in alcohol. And then these are more like dry, sparkling options.
Thanks for watching our review.
And head to Indybest for more.